We at Second Nature Swimming deliver one-to-one classes. Your instructor is in the water with you all the time, and you will learn everything you need to know about being safe in the water.
It's such an amazing journey. Like, when I look back now, like from the beginning, I was quite afraid of just getting into water. Now at the moment I can go home, I can travel, I can do whatever I want, and I can swim, and that's such a privilege. Like, I love it.
I was petrified. 40 odd years of not going in the water, going on holidays and sitting on the side while everyone's enjoying themselves. Well, I went to Thailand and it was awesome. I was swimming with angelfish, I was swimming with tropical fish, and it was just natural.
My friend recommended Second Nature Swimming. I have a 9-year-old, a 6-year-old and a 4-year-old, and they love it.
My lessons with Second Nature were really beneficial. Prior to taking up the lessons, my swimming experience was kind of at school as a 7, 8-year-old, and I consider myself really fit. I can run, I can cycle, but swimming just wasn't really falling into place. I can now swim 40 lengths of front crawl, and I can feel a lot more efficient.
For someone that would get anxious of just being in a bathtub, being able to swim honestly was something that I never in a million years thought I'd be able to do. I achieved more than what I thought would ever be possible.
We're powered by respect for the water, but motivated by our love for adventure and freedom.
Every penny that I spent learning to swim was worth it. To do the things I'm doing now is unbelievable compared to before I started swimming. Brilliant.
Be bold and courageous. The other side of fear is freedom.